We're going to be making roasted pumpkin. You're going to start by taking off the seeds. Now I'm slicing them. Spread them on your baking sheet like this. And I'm going to sprinkle some garlic, chopped garlic, some rosemary, some basil, some olive oil, and salt. I'm using the Himalayan salt. And then the garlic. Rosemary. That's the basil. And this is the rosemary now. And finally the oil. You can use just a little tiny bit of oil. Like that. Like that. Then I'll bake this for about 10 minutes in the oven at 400. Thank you. You can now enjoy your roasted pumpkins ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.